Ubus na. Ubus ko talaga.
Happy Mother's Day! So ayan, puro kalat. Tapos napakainin.
Uy, ano ba yan?
Napakainin, pumutok ang lobo. I'm going to outside. Hey everyone! Hey everyone, good morning. So for today is Happy Mother's Day. So Happy Mother's Day everyone. And for now, because Happy Mother's Day, I'm going to outside and I think I'm going to plan to get some cakes. So enjoy the day and have a nice day everyone. Hey everyone! So now I'm going to the bakery. I'm going to check if they have some cakes for my mom and for me for today as a Thanksgiving, because it's a Mother's Day. So everyone who watching my vlog, to all the mothers out there, Happy Mother's Day! I hope all of you can understand what I'm trying to say because I'm wearing mask. Hello! Nakakatawa po, naubusan na po ng cake yung sa bakery, kaya wala na po ako magagawa, wala nang bakery dito, kaya walang cake kami, walang cake si mama, walang Goldilocks, yun lang ang bakery dito, and lahat ng naka-display doon ay mayroon ng may-ari. So gagawa daw sila, pero hindi sure kung ilan yung magagawa. Sabi balik daw mamayang hapon, kaya wala. Ngayon dito ako sa mini stop, may bibilhin muna ako ng soft drinks. Hi everyone! Hello po! So, kumusta po kayong lahat? Nakauwi na po ako dito sa bahay. And today, I would like to greet all of you a Happy Mother's Day. So, sa lahat ng nanonood, to all the mothers out there, including my mom, Happy Mother's Day to you. And of course, Happy Mother's Day to me. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the whole wide world. So we all proud to each other because we are a good mother to our children, and salute all of us. So today we all wish that all of us have a great Happy Mother's Day. So ayan, wala po ako nabiling cake kasi naubusan na, nagsarado na po yung pintuan ng bakery kasi sabi niya magbe-bake pa daw sila. So ang sabi, balik daw ng hapon like around 2:30 to 3 PM. So wala na, 'di ba? Tapos na yung kainan ng Mother's Day kasi dapat lunch. So hindi na nakabili at nagpunta ako ng Alphamart and mini stop, wala na ring ice cream. Nagkakaubusan na talaga. So kahit lockdown, ang mga tao ay maraming kapirhan. So ang nabili ko lang ay tasty and yung mga other something lang. Wala yung pinaka main goal ko na cake and ice cream. And yeah. Pero bumili ako ng couple shirt namin ni mama. So ito lang yung nabili ko na parang little present para sa amin. So parehas yung design. Ito yung large para kay mama. Fubu. And ito yung akin. Medium. Gusto ko maluwang. Ayun. So, ito lang yung nabili ko. And, bibili na lang ng cake kapag tapos na yung quarantine days. So, ayun, yun lang. And mamaya, may simple kaming kainan. Yung kapatid ko nagluluto ng simpleng lunch. And, yeah. See you later. Have a nice day!
So ayan, puro kalat.
Bigyan mo kay
Tapos
Pampo ito, Clero. Uy, ano ba yan?
Napakainin, pumutok ang lobo.
So anyway, tapos na po yung kainan namin at
Nasaan na yung
nagliligpitan
plato
na.
nito? Ay, wala na.
Hindi ko talaga ma-save yung mga videos na nakuha ko kasi nga over full memory na. So kung ano lang yung na-save, yun lang ang meron akong pwede kong may share sa inyo. So once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong
Ano pala yung
panonood.
plato?
And Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat, sa ating lahat. So God bless us all. So thank you everyone for watching. Ito yung ginawa ng kapatid ko at ng anak ko. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy and Mama. So yun. Ligpitan time na. At napakainit. Bye-bye!